How to fix Discord live stream not working. Today guys I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then directly go to apps. On apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Discord. When you found Discord now, just go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again, and that's it. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.